Hello. Happy Thirsty Thursday. Today it's 4th of July theme. Whew. That was a close one. I almost saw my boobs and then I would be getting another strike on the YouTubes. Nobody likes that. Anyway, moving on. Today I am showing you how to make a firework popsicle shot in honor of this upcoming holiday of independence. Okay, this one's really fucking easy. So let's see if we can do it right the first time. Okay, so you take some pop ice. I selected all of the red and the blue here for 4th of July, because these are our colors for some reason. I'm sure there's a reason. Anyway, you clip the top of it off. Achoo! I already did it with this one. Then you eat half of it down. Trust me on this one, I've tested it. You eat half of it down. Then, oops. Okay. Then you take a funnel and you put it in the popsicle like so. Then you take a shot of your favorite liquor real quick. Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about there. And then you dump the shot into the popsicle. We did it again. It went over a little bit. Whatever. It's America. It's gonna get a little sloppy. Well, I was going to suggest that you bite down and then you like squish it all up so it's like all mixed up together. I'm gonna try it. Yeah, this might not be the best invention of all time. But then you put it in your mouth. It's not the worst invention of all time. Anyway, cheers to American innovation and creativity and weirdness and tutus like this. Because who doesn't need or want a tutu like this? Happy 4th of July, everyone. If you would like to see me dance in this tutu, it will be up tomorrow on my Patreon page / Go Eat a Carrot. There you will find the reward, Freaky Fan Friday dance off. I don't know. I haven't come up with the right words yet. It's going to be my first one. Love to see some support for this. Okay. Well, good luck out there with the fireworks and the hot dogs, the popsicles. It's a really good phallic diet holiday, I will say. And stay tuned for that cookbook coming up in probably a year, because I'm slow. Alright. Bye.